We bring light into darkness. We create a new path towards the future. We are at every step of your day. We are Hanwha Semitech. Our challenging spirit to move forward helped us to start Korea's first SMT business in 1989. Soon, we crossed over to reach the next level, semiconductor advanced packaging. Our business grew further with an acquisition of CNC machine tools in 2019 and semiconductor front-end in 2024. Through this, Hanwha has evolved into an advanced manufacturing solution creator. Hanwha started R&D in semiconductor equipment over 30 years ago. We now provide semiconductor equipment to our global IDM and OSAT partners for DRAM, NAND, and CPU. We started our semiconductor business with the back-end bonding machines and expanded further by acquiring front-end equipment business. Hanwha Semitech is now creating a new future as a total solution provider for semiconductor production. We are an expert in vision alignment and precision control. This was the fuel for us to reach the global #1 in mid-class mounters. We have successfully landed in the high-speed mounter and the next-generation display mounting business. Utilizing over 30 years of expertise in SMT, we built an optimized software for the overall production process. Our T solution covers from stock management to production. With an easy interfacing to MES, our software will bring a real value to your everyday production. Our CNC machine tool business started nearly 50 years ago. We built the very first complex gang and turret-type turning lathes in Korea. We are an expert and pioneer in CNC machine tool. We are the #1 in Korea and expanding our business in global market. Our new machines for medical and dental parts are specially built to support the highest precision required in the field. We also have an optimized software, high CPS and PG solution to help you to build a smart factory system. As an advanced manufacturing solution creator, Hanwha Semitech is building a new future and value with our customers and professionals around the world. Hanwha Semitech will continue to move forward to build a better future, to create a better world. Advanced Manufacturing Solution Creator, Hanwha.